Okay. Excuse me, is this the chocolate factory that I see from the internet?
Yes, sir. Is there something that I can help?
I want to buy some deluxe chocolate box. How much price for each box?
The price for each book is 15,000 rupees, sir.
Oh, that expensive enough. Can I get some discount?
Sure, but you have to buy 100 books or more so you can get the 20 20% discount.
But I just want to buy 50 box. Can I still get that discount?
I'm so sorry, sir, but the rule on our factory is buy 100 books or more and get the discount bonus.
Well, I will just buy 50 box. How about delivery? Can this chocolate box delivery to my house?
Yes, sir. Can we can deliver it to your house?
How the delivery time take? Can it delivery in 2 weeks?
The delivery time takes 3 weeks, sir, and you can pay it on delivery too.
That's not I really want, but I take that.
Can you send me the address of your house so I can deliver it to you?
Sure, I will. I will send you my address.
Thank you for shopping in our factory, chocolate factory.
Thank you.